What's going on, guys? My actual workday is coming to an end. For the majority of the day, it's been rainy and gloomy, and the sun decided to finally show up. So I decided to take a little walk outside. I feel like I look so ridiculous holding this camera up. I don't know. I don't think I'll ever get used to this, especially in a public setting and like gyms. I don't know, like in a public gym, just setting up a camera and just doing my thing, I just feel so awkward and weird. But if you have your own like personal apartment gym, I mean, it's easy, nobody's gonna look at you crazy or get in the way of your camera. But yeah, I decided to walk. Now, typically, if it is a nice day outside, I do walk, but I want to start doing it almost every day. See? When the sun come out. After I finish up this walk, I'm gonna head back inside and do some last minute things. I think I have like one or two things left to do, and after that, I'll be done. I gotta go get a haircut and I can stop looking crazy. About an hour or two after that, I have my game. But yeah, probably head back inside after a little bit. Finish up work, eat, and then head out. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. What's going on, y'all? I hope y'all don't mind about my camera angles and the way I position it, because I'm just using my phone, just thugging it. I don't got no big camera and all that fancy equipment. I'm just kind of doing what I can. So I have a tripod, but sometimes I don't feel like using it, so I just kind of prop it up. And this is better because I feel like I'm, just having a conversation and it's not like some big production. I saw a couple comments on some previous videos asking, along the lines of how I got to where I am now as far as, my cybersecurity role. And it's really not that glamorous. But once I did get the opportunity to kind of switch paths, I didn't waste it. Like I went all in. I had a connection at the organization that I work for now. He let me know about a position that was opening up. He let me know what it was about. And then from there, I had to work, I had to grind, I had to study everything that I could. Me being in the networking space, while I was working in that job, I knew I wanted to get in that cybersecurity field. So I did what I could. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I read a lot of documentation. And like I said earlier, I looked at that job description and I knew that they didn't want like a subject matter expert. They just wanted someone to be familiar with it and wanted to work. So that's exactly what I did. And I made sure that I could speak on the platforms that they currently use. And the connection that I had there really helped me a lot. Can't say I killed the interview. Not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous. And whenever you're in those interviews and the nerves get to you, sometimes your mind can go blank or it can cloud up. But hey, you just gotta roll with the punches. But I obviously, I did enough. I hadn't graduated yet. And the fact that they still took a chance on me and gave me a shot without an actual bachelor's degree just speaks volumes. So yeah, I'd say, to go back to what I was kind of speaking on earlier, don't be afraid to go after those positions, because I had some doubts myself. Just as long as I'm familiar and I can speak to a lot of the stuff, I should be fine. Don't get discouraged on those long job descriptions. Don't get discouraged on the requirements, because sometimes they're just looking for somebody that's willing to put in the work and easy to teach, and they're just looking for those qualities. That's basically it. Like I said, it's not too glamorous. I hope that can kind of shed light on a piece of my journey and how I got from the network analyst position to this junior cybersecurity role. But I'm done rambling. I'm not gonna spend too much time talking y'all's heads off. I'm just about done for the day. I wrapped up, sent my last emails, prepared stuff for tomorrow. At the end of my day, I always like to leave little notes for myself to remind myself of what I have to do and what is due next. tomorrow morning when I log back on, I can hit the ground running. What's going on, y'all? So I done came back. I got situated a little bit. You know, I'm doing all right now. See, look, I don't look too crazy. I don't need y'all talking about me. You know what I'm saying? We back in action. We got cleaned up a little bit. Only thing left to do now is just chill a little bit before my game. I might eat. That's probably the last thing. And then we're just gonna start winding down for the night after that, chill, and then go to sleep. So yeah, hopefully I'll see y'all in the next clip. What's going on, y'all? So I'm finally back home after we lost real good. The other team got the best of us, but it was a good run. You know, we had fun. We lost gracefully as a team. M actually came through and to just watch, and he actually was able to record some footage. Now, I didn't do too much. I'm a washed up basketball player. I am not a professional by any means, okay? So just keep that in mind. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. You know, I always like feedback in the comments. So if you liked it, have anything that you would like to see, drop it in the comments. But yeah, more videos are on the way. Please be patient with me, guys. I have a lot of content that I want to put out, and I'm gonna do my best to be a little bit more faster with the upload. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.